Okay, so this lesson is on dividing fractions. Now we kind of started working with dividing fractions today in class, kind of started talking about what the rules are and what the process is. Tonight you're going to actually put pencil to paper and do some practice problems without all the models that we were doing in class today. Before I get started though, I'm going to do my first shout out from 4th period, Kiara Kent. Alright, now here's your notes. You should have gotten one of these today from me, and I believe it's going to go on to page 13. The steps are pretty much the same as they are for multiplying. You're still going to change both numbers into fraction form. You're going to use around the world for your mixed numbers to change them to improper fractions, and your whole numbers you're going to stick a 1 underneath. The only difference with division is there's an extra step. It's step number 4. To divide by a fraction, don't be shy. Just flip the second and multiply. Then it's just the same as multiplication. Top times top over bottom times bottom. Okay? Alright. So on the other side of your notebook, give yourself 2 columns. Teacher and student. Alright, let's do 4/5 divided by 2/3. Okay, in this problem we already have 2 fractions, so I don't have to change anything. I can skip straight to step number 4, which says flip the second fraction over, then multiply. Do not touch the first fraction. We're just flipping the second fraction over. So it's 4/5 times 3 over 2. Now top times top over bottom times bottom. I get 12 over 10. Now, am I done? No, because this is improper and it will also reduce. 12 divided by 10 goes 1 time with 2 left over. 1 and 2/10. And that 2/10 will reduce by 2 over 2, which equals 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1 and 1/5. Okay? I'm going to give you a minute to get that down on your papers, and then I need to erase it so that I can do another problem. Okay? Do this one on your teacher side. Let's do 8.5 divided by 2. Okay, in this one, I've got to have 2 fractions. What I have here is a mixed number and a whole number. So I've got to do some adjustments before I can follow my rules for division. I need to use around the world to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 8 is 16. Come around and add the 1, that's 17. Alright, now, how do I change this whole number to a fraction? Remember, you just stick a 1 under it. Now we're ready for step 4, which says flip this over and multiply. 2 over 1, I'm just going to flip it over to 1 over 2. Okay, 17 times 1 is 7, and 2 times 2 is 4. Am I done? No. Because this is an improper fraction that needs to be simplified. 4 goes into 17 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 left over. 4 and 1/4. Take a minute, get that down. And I'm going to give you a couple of student problems. Before I do that though, I'm going to do my second shout out. It is for, oh, look at this shout out. Berkeley, tell Josh what he has to do. Point at Berkeley. Tell Josh what he has to do before he can have his prize from Miss Colvin.
He has to say, Cowboys rule, Texans drool.
Cowboys rule, Texans drool. That's the only way you're going to get your prize, Joshy. All right? Okay, here comes your student problems. I want you to do 7/8 divided by 3. And your second one, I want you to do 4.5 divided by 6 1/3. Okay? Do those two problems for practice. Come in tomorrow with them done. We'll check them. We'll take a little lesson quiz, and we'll do some more work tomorrow. I think that's it. See you tomorrow.